We do get a lot of questions as well about recipe titles and what partners can and can't say in their recipe titles. So there are some rules that we do need to stick by with the inclusion level of raw materials in the recipe. So to make a prominent headline claim or an "and" claim in the recipe title, there must be a 26% inclusion level of that named raw material in the recipe to make the claim in the title. There's also the option to make a "with" claim. So with a "with" claim, there needs to be at least 4% inclusion of that raw material in the recipe. So that opens up a lot of doors for partners. They can make "with" claims about quite a few raw materials, as long as the percentage of that raw material is also included in the composition.